Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to test throttle position sensor. This one is also known as gas accelerator pedal or throttle position sensor. It could be two different things. We'll show you how to test it on Dodge, Jeep and Chrysler vehicles. It will be the same procedure guys. So, that throttle position sensor guys, sometimes, on older vehicles, it could be on the throttle body, on the engine. Sometimes guys, it's on the gas pedal, on the accelerator. So, on this one guys, it's on the gas pedal. It's part of the gas pedal right here. Let me show you now. On this Dodge guys, this is your throttle position sensor. You can see right there. You have the wires. What it has one sensor inside that detects how many percent the throttle is pressed in. And according to, let's say, 50%, so the engine knows how much air and how much fuel to give it. However, if that thing doesn't work, things will be bad. What will happen guys, you get engine light on, you might not even be able to give it gas. And in today's video, we'll show you how to test it. We'll be using Maxicom here, amazing tool, check it out, list it in the description of the video below. All we have to do, connect it to the OBD port, OBD port right there, and now we have to turn our ignition on. I'm going to go ahead and wait to turn the engine until we actually establish communication with the computer. Never ever start your car in the garage, always do that outside. So check out guys how many cars you can scan with that computer, read and delete codes from every system in your vehicle. So we'll click VIN number, how to detect, right here. Next we're going to select Dodge, perfect. And it's going to tell us which vehicle we have, so we don't have to manually select that and all that stuff. Almost there. We're going to confirm that it's 2012 Dodge Journey. And now let me show you. We'll go under diagnostics here, control unit, powertrain, which is where your engine computer will be located. And we need to go under live data right here. Now when it loads, I'm going to turn the engine on. Always start your car only outside, not in the garage, excuse me. Now check out here. If we come down, you're going to find a place where it says throttle blade position. And this is how many percent it's pressed in. Check it out now. I don't give it any gas. I'll give it a little bit of gas and see what will happen. It jumps to 24%. So that guys, definitely works. Now you can have a person riding with you on the passenger side and look at it, how it moves up and down while you're driving the vehicle. And you'll be noticed if it's working or if it's not. This is actually part of the TPS sensor as well, the voltage that it reads. Check it out. So you can check so many things here. Target idle speed to see if your vehicle idles as it's supposed to, and that's guys how you check your throttle position sensor to see if it's working or if it's not. Also you can even see the purge valve right here. That's amazing. So many things that you can do with that thing. Also guys, we'll have a video how to replace one. On most cars it's the same. So please check it out. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.